In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own copy of a shared file here in Google Sheets. So in this example, I actually have a file from a previous video where I formatted some checkboxes right here. Now what I want to do next would be to make a copy of this shared file so I can also make my own formatting for these checkboxes. Right now, the only access we have would be to view this file right here, no editing and not even commenting. So if I want to make my own copy so I can do my own formatting, here's how I can do it. First, I'm going to go to File right here in the menu bar and select Make a Copy. Once I click on that, here are my options. I can rename this to however I want it and select where I can save it. So I'm going to leave it at this copy of this title and I'm going to have it saved in my drive. Once you're done doing those, you can go ahead and click on Make a Copy. And this will automatically open in a new tab where you can definitely start editing and make this your own. So you'll notice that we don't have the view only option here at the top. We can definitely go ahead and edit this and format all these checkboxes to make our own. And there you have it. So one more time, just go back to File, select Make a Copy, and once you're done renaming and selecting where to save that copy, just click on Make a Copy. So that's how easy it is. You can make your own copy of a shared file here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.